Ladies and gentlemen, by the standing at the field, by the planting some of the plant, we have already planted some of the, I think we give a target of the 100 plant. Put all over the team has already included, I think 3 or 4 department has already include in this particular program, and we were suggested that we have already target of the 100 plant, and we have already sit, and everyone are just getting try to put the plant according their point of view. Some are just watering, some are just collecting all over the edge like a garbage and plastic. So you can watch, it is the leader of our Mr. Deepak Danu. Mr. Danu, what is your opinion? How are you feeling?
Yes, today feeling is better and हम लोग जो आए हैं आज यहाँ पर हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे भी आए हुए हैं, सरस्वती स्कूल के बच्चे और टाटा मोटर्स की टीम और अन्य हमारे जो नैनीताल बैंक से भी बता रहे हैं और हमारे वन विभाग के फॉरेस्ट के भी लोग आए हुए हैं. जरा इनकी फोटो इधर पे दिखाइए हम हमारे.
Exactly, you can watch this team. These are the person from the forest department, and they are just by the wearing in uniform. They are just looking after and caring of everyone. And this is the my friend Mr. Sumit has already come here on this.
सबसे पहले तो मैं सबसे पहले हरेला पर्व की सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं. और आज बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि हरेला पर्व भी है और वृक्ष रोपण भी है. अगर हम एक पेड़ आज लगाते तो आने वाले भविष्य में बहुत अच्छा परिणाम होगा, अच्छा फल मिलेगा. एक बार पुनः आप सभी को हरेला पर्व की बहुत बहुत बधाई.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Deepak. You have already very congratulations. You have already put your point of view, and this is the huge festival of the local festival of the Harela, and we are just enjoying. So you can watch all over the person has already by the planting and stand at the place, and for the time being I am just ready to move one by one of the some of the schooly children has already come here. So it is my responsibility to know about their opinion, what they are just feeling by the participating in this such a program. So I want to know about their opinion by the connecting, by the meeting to each other, and after that, because it is not my intention to disturb of them. So you can watch all over the student. But just you have to stand here. Okay. First, don't hesitate. Okay. If you are comfortable in the same language, so you can understand. Otherwise, you can reply in your native language as usually you are using. So, are you first? I would like to know about. Are you comfortable in the same language? Yes. In English? Okay. So first, I would like to know about in which school are you coming from? Saraswati Academy. How many students have you come here? 28. 27. With whom did you come here? So how are you feeling to come here on participate in this type of the program for plantation? Speak loudly.
Very nice.
Very nice. Would you like to explain a few words?
It's a very nice experience for us because it's the first time for us that we came here.
Oh, very good. It's very good. Oh, Harela. Do you know about the Harela?
Yes.
Do you celebrate of the Harela? Traditional festival of Uttarakhand. So I have no knowledge about the Harela festival. Would you like to suggest me what is the reason to celebrate of the Harela festival?
It is the onset of monsoon season. Harela season is celebrated for monsoon season, and farmers grow Harela in their homes. So, and if the Harela is very grown very nicely, so it is said that their crop also grows very nice. It is predicted that their crop is.
Oh, very good, bete. Does your parents prepare the any type of the delicious food at your home? What kind of the food? Okay, very good. It is the delicious food. So, dear all, you can watch all over the student has already come here, gathered here, and they have already informed. Along 28 student has already come here. Hello, boys group, come here. Just come here. Boys group, would you like to suggest it? So, how are you feeling? First, I would like to know about how are you feeling. Speak loudly, confidently. Very nice. So, how many plant have you planted here? One each. So, did you give the name of your plant?
Yes.
What is your plant name? So, will you care of your plant?
Yes.
So, how many students come here? How many students from here? 28. Who did you guide us? Oh, so are you comfortable in the same language?
Yes.
Oh my God. Do you usually use in your school this language? Yes, because I think I seen you are just coming from the English medium school. Yeah. So do you connect with your madam, with your teacher in the same language? Oh, very good. So how are you feeling with the Tata Motors? Do you know about the Tata Motors?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the Tata? Where is the located of the Tata Motors? What kind of the product create the Tata Motors? Oh, very good, very good. Because you are well aware about the Tata Motors, and you get a chance to do some of the activities were along with the Tata Motors worker, Tata Motors employee. So good, keep on enjoying and take care and grow, learn something from your. What is the festival today? Harela. Do you know about the what is the mean of the Harela?
Grow good plantation.
Sir, to save plants.
Save plants, for plantation, for greenery, for grow our grains. Yeah. Oh, everyone has already depend of the greenery, and we when we plant more, so we will get the more oxygen. So thank you, buddy. Bye. You have to say bye. Bye, sir. Thank you. Thank you.